and only the girl of the night, the lady of the aisle. Let's welcome Don Jefferson. But before that, everyone, I would like to thank everyone for, especially our venue, for being here. Kasi po, very emotion kaya ito kuan. Ako siya siyang ipabutang sa kuan sa isa sa doon na isa pa.
Balik
Dapat imo mag-feel ang ato ang kuan. Yes. So before nato sa lubungon gid atong debut, of course, we would like to thank the team behind everything. Our catering services, we would like to thank them. And also, we would like to thank the makeup artists for beautifying our debutant. We would also like every personal behind this festivity. Once again, let's welcome our debutant, the lady of the night, with a resounding round of applause.